Hello, today we will guide you through how to save chart settings in ThinkorSwim. Saving your chart setup as a workspace helps you preserve your layouts, indicators, watch lists, and window arrangements so you can return to them instantly. This is especially useful if you switch between strategies or monitor different markets and want a consistent, repeatable view every time you open the platform. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform and allowing it to fully load. When the main window appears, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the Setup menu. Depending on your display and theme, you'll see it as the word Setup or as a small gear icon. This menu controls preferences, application settings, and, importantly, your workspaces. Click Setup to open the drop-down, then choose Save Workspace As. This command captures what you're seeing right now, including chart grids, time frames, studies, drawing tools, linked color groups, and any gadgets or watch lists docked on the sides. Think of it as a snapshot of your trading environment that you can restore whenever you need it. A small dialog will prompt you to enter a name. Type a clear, descriptive title you'll recognize later, something that reflects the strategy, time frame, or instrument you built it for. Many traders include short tags like daily, scalp, or a date to track versions. Keeping names concise and consistent makes them easier to find when your list grows. After entering the name, click OK to save. The platform stores this workspace so it's available in future sessions. If you adjust your layout later, you can save again with the same name to update it, or use a new name to keep a separate version for testing and comparison. To load the workspace you just saved, return to the upper right corner and open the Setup menu again. You'll see your saved workspaces listed there. Click the name you created to switch to that layout. If you've made changes to your current view, the platform may ask whether you want to save them before switching. Choose the option that fits your workflow. After a brief refresh, your saved charts, indicators, and windows should reappear exactly as you stored them. That's all you need to reliably save and reload your chart settings. Using the Setup menu to manage workspaces streamlines your routine, reduces setup time, and ensures you can move between trading contexts without rebuilding layouts from scratch. Save thoughtfully named versions as your needs evolve, and you'll always have the right view at the ready.